Hi everyone, see in this problem here how to find the voltage VAB for the given circuit. So when you have the circuit, here three voltage sources are there and two resistors are there. So first of all, here the current direction was given like this here. So the condition is like this here. Now we want voltage VAB, nothing but voltage across 5 ohms and the total 10 volt source. Okay, this is the voltage VAB. So for that, first of all find the current I. Now write the KVL equation here. So here the current was entering from minus to plus in the 20 volts. So it can be written as minus 20 and plus the voltage in 3 ohms is 3 into I, and here from minus to plus, so minus 30 plus 5 into I plus 10, that's equal to 0. Now it becomes minus 50 plus 10, nothing but minus 40 plus 8I equal to 0. So from this we get 8I equal to 40, so I equal to 5 amperes. But here we want the voltage VAB. Now here also apply the loop here. So then we get minus VAB plus 5I plus 10 equal to 0. But I we know that 5 amperes. So that is minus VAB plus 5 plus 25 plus 10 equal to 0. So VAB equal to 35 volts. So from the options, option C is the correct option. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.